Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined in App Store. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to add a new payment method in your Apple ID, but you're facing the issue that whenever you try to add a new Apple ID or add a new payment method in the Apple ID, you see an error, which is your payment method was declined. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to try to connect with a different, stable, strongest network connection. Then go to settings, go to general, go to VPN device management, and just make sure that you're not connected to any kind of VPN. Go to language and region, select region, and select your own country or region in which you're living. Again, go back, go to date and time, and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. Go back and go to software update, try to update your software, then go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. So after doing this, you just have to simply open your app store here and just tap on your profile option at the top right. Then tap on your Apple ID. Verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. Then select country or region option from here. And here just select your own country or region in which you're living, or the country or region which you have just selected in your Apple setting or your iPhone setting. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. Tap on continue option here, then tap on agree at the top right, and now you have to add your payment method. You have to add your payment method and you have to add your billing address correctly. So enter your street. These two are optional, so you can skip them. Then enter your postcode. If you don't know about this, you can search from Google. Enter your town, your country, your phone number, your name, and after all, just tap on done option at the top right, and your payment method will be successfully added to your Apple ID or your App Store without any issue. If you're facing the issue again, so you have to try to contact with the Apple support team. Now to do this, you have to simply open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can use Apple Support web. Select iPhone from here, select more option, select App Store, and here just wait for the loading, then tap on get more help, tap on call us. After that, you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with the Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.